believe it. Storms have fired up once again, and once again they're producing large hail. Mark the calendar. March 24, 2019. This is going to go down as one of the worst hail outbreaks ever in the history of North Texas. So far, we have not had any hail here at our house, but Collin County, Denton County, Dallas County, Tarrant County, there's been baseball-sized hail all over the Metroplex today. No warnings on this one yet. This radar is 7 minutes behind. These are fast-moving storms, so this is not accurate at all. I'm nowhere near Crum and Argyle. I'm down around Highland Village. I hope we at least get a good rain that cleans the street. That's what we didn't get earlier. I got a feeling this time we are going to get a good heavy rain, because this storm is going to hit us more directly. I hate lightning more than I hate tornadoes, to be honest with you. I fear lightning more than I fear hail and tornadoes. It can take your sight, it can take your hearing. You can't see it coming. You can't predict it. Big snail right there. Take a look at that. That's one of those big Chinese ones. But these storms can absolutely go severe in a hurry. It's here. It's definitely here now. It's definitely raining harder right now than it was earlier. It's picking up once again. Yep, there goes the gutter. This right here is the rainfall rate we need. Now our gutter's really getting going. Still no warning on it either. Oh boy, was that hail? I just heard something hit the concrete out there. Sounded really loud. Yeah, we've got hail. I don't know how big they are, but they sound pretty damn big. There's one right there. We get hail so damn much here, this is nuts. Some of these are freaking huge. I am so glad I parked inside the garage. That's what a garage is for. And here they come. Wow. Some of these are big. These are definitely quarter size. Look at that one. Look at that one. That one's the size of a quarter for sure. Look at the size of these. Look at some of these.
How big is it?
The size of quarters. There's no warning on this storm either. They screwed up. This is definitely severe hail.
Is this going to damage our roof? Yeah,
It's possible, yeah. Some of these are the size of quarters. It's the monthly thing. This is the third one.
Turn on the light for you here?
Sure, yeah. I had it off to get the hail. I mean, to get the lightning. This is the hail capital of the world right here. This one broke on the way down and it's still bigger than a quarter. This is a really bad outbreak of hailstorms today. They're having them all over the place. They've gotten smaller. I'm not seeing many quarter size now. That's good. Hail capital of the world. Did that snail get killed?
Well, it could have been worse, right?
Yeah, it could have been a lot worse. They had a baseball size hail in Frisco.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Walk in, be careful. It could be wet here.
I will. These things are slippery as hell. Well, it could have been a lot worse, but we did have severe hail, and there's no warning on this storm, so National Weather Service in Fort Worth dropped the ball. You guys dropped the ball. That's all I can say. Those were absolutely, a lot of them were absolutely the size of quarters. So, and I know some people are probably going to comment and say that that's not severe. Trust me, quarter size hail is severe. Oh well. This is one of the worst hail outbreaks in the history of Texas. So I thought we might have dodged a bullet, but in a way we did. I mean, we could have had golf ball or baseball size hail, and we didn't, thankfully. But we ended up getting a hailstorm. This stuff is melting really fast. I'm trying to find some of the bigger ones. Here's one right there, about the size of a quarter. And look at all the cars on the street. You can count about 20 of them. Everybody here has at least a 2 or 3 car garage. But why use it, right? Why use it? I mean, we only get a hailstorm once a month. There's another quarter size hail. Why use your garage when you can put junk in it? This is already like the 3rd hailstorm of this year, and it's not even April yet. The worst month for severe weather in North Texas is April and May. So we're not even there yet, folks. We're just getting started. You see if I can grab this piece of hail. It's a little bigger than I thought, actually. See if I can get this. Definitely quarter size. Oh well, that wasn't the worst hailstorm we've had. We've had half dollar size hail here before. That I've filmed. At least the street's clean now, though. That could have been so much worse, though. That was not a very large hail core. Sometimes you can get under some hail and just be getting pelted for 5 minutes. I don't know how long that lasted, but it was maybe about 2 or 3 minutes. So all I can say is the National Weather Service in Fort Worth dropped the ball on that. There should be a warning on it. And that storm is still getting stronger, because it just popped up like 10 miles west of here. So y'all dropped the ball. And wow, clear skies now. You can see the stars. How about that? It's over just like that. Hope you enjoyed that one. I sure did. Thanks for watching.